Hey smoothie lovers, want to upgrade your blending game? Let me show you why the Ninja Smoothie IQ Blender rocks. First reason, unmatched power with a 1400-watt motor. Crushes ice, nuts, and frozen fruit in seconds. No chunks left. Second reason, Auto IQ technology for perfect, consistent blends. Just press a button, and the blender does the thinking for you. No more guessing. Get smooth, creamy results every single time. Third reason, huge 2.1-liter BPA-free jug for family servings. Make big batches of smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks easily. Perfect for health enthusiasts, families, or busy professionals. Want to meal prep your smoothies for the week? No problem. Hosting brunch? Serve everyone fresh drinks in one go. Love icy drinks? Ninja's total crushing blades handle it all. From green smoothies to protein shakes, it's super versatile. Control your blend with low, high, and pulse settings. Customize textures for creamy, chunky, or icy results. Cleanup is a breeze. Jug, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning, more time enjoying your creations. No more hand washing or scrubbing sticky smoothie messes. The sleek black design looks great on any kitchen counter. It's sturdy, reliable, and built to last for daily use. BPA-free materials mean safe, healthy drinks every time. Make nutrient-rich smoothies for the whole family, guilt-free. Busy mornings? Blend and go with minimal effort. Save money. Skip the smoothie bar and make your own at home. Impress friends with restaurant-quality drinks in minutes. Perfect for post-workout shakes or healthy snacks anytime. Auto IQ takes the guesswork out. Just press and relax. No more standing by the blender, waiting and watching. Enjoy consistent results whether it's your first or 50th blend. Tough ingredients? Ninja handles them with ease every time. Make creamy nut butters, salsas, and even frozen desserts. It's more than a smoothie maker, it's a kitchen powerhouse. Ready to transform your healthy habits with less hassle? Don't settle for weak blenders or chunky smoothies. Choose the Ninja Smoothie IQ for effortless, delicious results. Thousands of users trust Ninja for their daily nutrition. Join the community of smoothie fans loving their Ninja blender. Ready to blend smarter, not harder? Tap the link, check out the Ninja Smoothie IQ now. Upgrade your kitchen, boost your health, and enjoy every sip. Don't wait, grab yours today and blend like a pro.